How are you?
I'm
Happy. Are you hungry?
No.
No? Are you tired?
No.
No. Are you thirsty? No. How old are you? I'm 6. Can you say 6? Good job. Jerry, what food do you like? What food do you like? I like apples. Do you like spaghetti? Yes. Oh, do you like ice cream? Yes. Do you like strawberries? Strawberry. Do you like strawberry? No. Do you like watermelon? Watermelon. Yes, you do. Alright. Okay, now you have to speak loudly, okay, Tonen? Loudly, okay? Alright, we will start now, Jerry. Ready? Yes. Okay, look at this, Jerry. What is it? What are you wearing? I'm wearing? Can you say, I'm wearing jeans? I'm wearing boots. Good. I'm wearing what is this? Dress. Okay. Okay. Good job. Now, how's the weather? It's sunny. It's wind. It's say the word it's. It's. Yes. Next. It's. Very good, Jerry. Improvement is very visible. Now, how are you? How are you? Next, I'm good. Next. Okay, now let's move on to the sound. Jerry, okay? Letter J sounds j, j. Which one? Jaguar, yes. J, j. No, it's ra, ra, not ja, ja. Ra, ra, raccoon. Ra, ra, robot. We said ja, ja. Ja, ja, not ra, ra. Ra, ja, ja. You don't know? What's this? Juice. Ja, ja, juice. Ja, say it again. Ja, ja, juice. Okay, next. Ra, ra. Jelly or rocket? Jellyfish. Rock, rock. Not just rocket. Good job. Rocket. Next. Rock, rock. Jacket or rice? Rice. Yes, rice is correct. Next. Take off. Next. Jacket, not jeans. Zip up your jacket. Okay, how's the weather? It's cloudy. Next, what is this?
Rainbow.
Very good. Next, what's the color? Oh, what's this? Tree. What's the color of the leaves? What's the color? Green. Okay, good. Next, what is this? What is that? River. Next.
Rock.
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 Rock. Yes. Next. What animal is that?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Do you like rabbits?
Yeah.
Yes. And that's the end of our speaking test. Give me a boom. So
Goodbye, teacher.
goodbye, Jerry. Oh no.